Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to our video on everything you need to know about beekeeping. Tips, tricks, and best practices. Beekeeping is a fascinating and rewarding hobby that not only allows you to produce your own honey but also helps to save these essential pollinators. In this video, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide to beekeeping, including tips, tricks, and best practices to help you get started on this exciting journey. Types of bees and hives. Before starting, it is important to understand the different types of bees and hives. The most common type of bee for beekeeping is the honeybee. Honeybees come in different species, but the most commonly kept species is the western honeybee. We'll discuss different hive types, including Langstroth, top bar, and Worray, and which one may be best suited for your specific goals and location. Setting up your hive. Once you have chosen your hive type, it's time to set up your hive. We'll discuss the best location for your hive, including factors such as sun exposure, wind, and access to water. We'll also cover how to prepare your site and install your bees, including tips for safely transferring your bees from their transport box to your hive. Caring for your bees. Once your bees are settled into their new home, it's time to start caring for them. We'll discuss best practices for feeding your bees, inspecting your hive, and managing their health. We'll also cover common pests and diseases that beekeepers face and provide tips on how to prevent and treat these issues. Harvesting your honey. One of the main benefits of beekeeping is harvesting your own honey. We'll provide advice on when and how to harvest your honey, as well as tips on how to extract and store it for maximum flavor and quality. We'll also cover different types of honey, including wildflower, clover, and buckwheat honey. You should have a good understanding of beekeeping and be ready to start your own hive. We hope this video has been helpful in providing you with the information you need to get started on this exciting journey. Remember, beekeeping is a wonderful way to connect with nature and help support these important pollinators. Thank you for watching our video on everything you need to know about beekeeping, tips, tricks, and best practices. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on beekeeping and other hobbies. Happy beekeeping! Thanks for watching.